And welcome back, guys. We need to work on our mile.php, but you know what? I'll be having the link to the download of this thing in the description. And I want to explain. Okay, 1 minute. Let me just remove this replace smiley thing. We'll be putting that replace smiley function later, and I'll be explaining it to you later what that is. We need to create that function manually, but for now, never mind. So this MySQL underscore real underscore escape string. What this does is it does not allow it it omits any like MySQL injections so that people don't corrupt our database or something. Yeah, so anyways, we need to first create links on our member.php to all these pages. So over here I'm going to create a new paragraph. I'm going to be explaining that code in a moment, but for now, just let me create these links. href equals youtube.php um embed from YouTube. Now, why did I not do something like us making people being able to upload videos on our server? Well, the thing is that for that we'll have to create a whole player video player also, and that's too much of work. And plus, Flash is really tough to. It's really tough to make stuff like that in Flash. So yeah, or rather, whispers. Whispers. Just gonna save that. And over here, yeah, just gonna save that for now. I'm gonna refresh the page. Okay. Um, just put one. Okay, there. So now we should have some padding, or otherwise, what we could do is that. We're gonna be adding styles later, so don't worry. Anyways, when we go to whispers, okay, unexpected something on line 3, line, oh, mail. Oh, that one. And then there are these two of them, so we'll remove that also. And when we refresh this page now, okay, undefined variable, let's see, since that's showing that undefined variable thing, we are going to add, let's see, user in line 26, line 26. Okay, yeah, this is cause, yeah, we need to, just put an at over here, so that should not come again. There. Anyways, yeah, just ignore this thing for now. We're gonna be adding emoticons later. But yeah, so this is the basic structure. We need to make some changes in our database. PHP my admin. As you see over here, there's this thing called $time. Okay, dollar final. 1 minute. Just let me go to variables. It is $name, not dollar final. It's $name. Yeah, so we need to keep the time first and stuff like that. Let's just go to our database. I'll explain you the stuff on our way. Let's see. We're just gonna just delete all of them for now. We're gonna make this table again. Yes. Um. Okay, that is weird. Structure. I want to drop the whole table. How do I do that? Okay, I forgot how to do that. That's really weird, but I'm just gonna do it manually. Delete. How did I forget that? I forget how to drop the table. I'll be right back. Seriously, so idiotic of me. I forgot how to drop tables. So we're gonna create a new table. Messages, messages, and let's count the number of columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 columns. Go. Okay, not messages, mails, mails, mails. Let's see. Name. First one is ID. Then is time, name, user, message, target. 1 minute. Or here, just go scroll real down. Let me just see. We have entries underscore timestamp equals entries underscore, okay, it's timestamp time with a capital T, okay, timestamp, and then we have entries name capital N, name, and then we have username, message, username, message. Pretty. What happened now? Okay, this make to link also just ignore. There's nothing. We're gonna be using make to link later. Okay, there. Interesting. What's the last one? Target. Okay. So the target. It's just target. Target. So target is the one whom we're sending the message to. The name is the name of the person who is sending the message. Username is the username of the person who's sending the message. Message is the message. So let's just do this. Watch R. Message is text, and then target is also watch R. Let's see. Leave that. 255, 255, 255, and then target is again 255. Auto increment in ID, and yep, save. So we have that ready and going. Now if we refresh, there we have it. I'll just remove these BRs, too many BRs. Save and refresh. Yeah, so like the whispers that no, like the messages that I have sent, and then the messages that other people have sent to me will come there. So if I enter manually enter something, insert. Okay, timestamp is going to be some random numbers. Name is going to be name is going to be whatever. Just some random name, some random username, and some random text. And the target is Dan. So if I click on go, so it has inserted that thing. And now, wait, what? Browse. Target is done. Let's see entries and all that. If sent underscore row equals MySQL sent underscore 2 equals. Okay, that is really weird. MySQL entries. Okay, so it is fetching the entries, but it is not displaying it for some reason. I'll fix the error and come right back. Actually, I'll fix the error later, but we'll just see if this works like when I send message to someone. If I send to myself, undefined variable user. Okay, it sends. So you see in my whispers, this is there. this message, but I can't see my whispers for some reason, so I'm gonna work that problem out and come right back. Okay, welcome back, and I actually found out the error. What happened was, yes, I have copied this code from my social network, and in that, in the variables.php, I have, instead of username, I have user. So that was causing the error, and we're gonna fix that. Username, username. Then what? How did this work over here then? Let me see. Variables.php. Okay, so even this should be username. Okay, now it should work. If I give like to myself again. Okay, so whispers to you. So I have this, all this, and then this also, which I entered in the database. Now see, this is the name, and this is the username. So what we want to do is we're gonna edit it a little bit, and you see over here, where's the table? Like entries underscore name, entries underscore username. We are going to put a bracket around it so that it looks a little bit better. So now you see it looks neater. That's good. And then over here is the whispers that you gave and stuff like that. So there we have that ready, and our mail.php is done. So I'll be putting this source code in the link below, and don't forget to rate this video if it helped you. Also, I I'll be making, once I finish this series, I'll be making stuff like a lot of more stuff. So I'm taking requests from people about what they want in the next tutorials on this channel. So yeah, bye.